AI influencers are starting to take over social media. People are using them for different types of content, from UGC-style product videos to fashion content, lifestyle posts, brand promotions, and even exclusive fan content that people can subscribe to access. And the interesting thing is that this kind of opportunity was not really available to everyday creators years ago. Before now, building an influencer brand required a real person, photo shoots, outfits, locations, content planning, and sometimes a full production setup. But now, with AI tools, someone can sit with a laptop, create a realistic digital influencer, build a consistent identity around that character, generate content, and start growing an online presence from home. But here's the mistake many people make. They create one nice AI influencer image, post it online, and stop there. That is not enough. So in this video, I will show you how to create a more brandable AI influencer that you don't just post in only social media, but take it further with Fanvue as a platform for building exclusive content and a more direct fan experience. Before we start creating the influencer, it's important to understand one thing. An AI influencer is not just about making a realistic face. It's about building a digital identity that can be used consistently across content, branding, and audience engagement. Because if you only create random images, the character will feel disconnected. One post may look great, but the next one might look like a completely different person. And once that happens, it becomes harder for people to recognize the character. So the goal is not just to create an AI model. The goal is to create a digital personality with a consistent look, clear style, and a content direction that can grow over time. And once you have that kind of character, the next question becomes, where do you take the audience you are building? That's where Fanvue comes in. Fanvue is a creator platform that allows creators to build a more direct fan experience around their content. So instead of depending only on social media platforms, where your reach can change because of the algorithm, Fanvue gives creators a space where they can share exclusive content, connect more directly with their audience, and build a more private fan experience around their brand. And this is why it can make sense for AI influencers. Because you are building a brandable character. That character can have a style, a personality, a niche, a content schedule, and a fan experience around it. For example, social media can be used to build awareness. You can post short videos and behind-the-scenes style content to attract people. Then Fanvue can become the next layer, where the audience can access more exclusive content from that same AI influencer brand. And what makes Fanvue interesting for this type of workflow is that it is already positioned around creator monetization and AI-powered creator tools. But before we can take the AI influencer to a platform like Fanvue, we first need to build the influencer properly. For this workflow, I'll be using a complete free AI tools to create the influencer, build a reference board, and then turn the character into video content. This helps the AI understand who the character is and makes it easier to keep the same look across different images and video scenes. So to start creating our character, I'll go into ChatGPT and start my prompt like this. Ultra-realistic portrait of a gorgeous African AI influencer in her mid-20s with rich melanin skin, captivating brown eyes, naturally full lips, flawless skin, and elegant facial symmetry. Modern luxury beauty aesthetic, minimal yet sophisticated makeup, trendy hairstyle, confident and approachable expression, looking directly at the camera. Professional studio portrait with soft diffused lighting, creamy bokeh background, fashion editorial photography, premium Instagram influencer style, hyper-detailed, photorealistic, cinematic color grading, 85mm lens, f1, 85 nps resolution. After generating this is the result I got. Now once we have a strong main image, we don't stop there. We need the full body profile for this character. So I wrote down the following prompt for that, and I got this. This board becomes the master reference for the AI influencer. Think of it like a visual identity sheet. So whenever we want to create a new image or video later, we can use this board as a stronger reference instead of starting from zero. For example, we can place the influencer in a different outdoor event. Because the AI now has a clear reference, it becomes easier to keep the character consistent. Now to turn the influencer into video content, I'll go back to ChatGPT and ask it to create different video prompts for this character. These prompts can include camera movement, outfit details, background, action, facial expression, and the type of content we want the influencer to create. Once I have the video prompt, I'll go over to the VO3 and use their new AI model called OmniFlash. From there, I'll upload the reference board, paste one of the video prompts from ChatGPT, choose an aspect ratio, and set the duration. After that, I'll click Generate, and this is the result I got. Now we are no longer working with just one random AI image. We now have a consistent character, a clear visual style, a reference board, and video content that can be used across different platforms. And this is where Fanvue becomes much more useful. Because if you want to build an AI influencer brand, you need more than just public social media posts. Social media can help people discover the character, but Fanvue can give you a more direct space to build a fan experience around that character. So if you want to try Fanvue, you can check the link in the description, set up your creator profile, and start building a more structured fan experience around your AI influencer. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.